Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and enabling the game's auto-turn feature. First, log into AQW and stand near the quest giver so the map and NPC are active. Then open Options, go to Game Settings, and enable Auto-Accept and Auto-Turn-In if present. This lets the client complete the handoff when conditions are met. Make sure the quest is selected in your quest log so the tracker knows which objective to monitor. Once done, the system can detect completion automatically. With auto-turn enabled, focus on finishing the quest objectives while the quest remains tracked. Gather kills, items, or interaction triggers required by the quest. As you progress, the tracker updates and the client evaluates completion. When the final objective is satisfied, move back into the NPC's interaction radius so the auto-turn routine can run. Monitor the chat and UI for the confirmation message or reward pop-up. If the game detects you're in range and completed, it will hand in the quest for you. Finish by checking that rewards appear and the quest is removed from your quest log. That confirms successful auto-turn. If nothing happens, first toggle the auto-turn setting off and on to reset the client, then re-enter the NPC area and try again. If persistence problems remain, relog or change maps to refresh server recognition and ensure you have line of sight to the NPC. One key troubleshooting tip: if rewards don't show, relogging usually clears cache state, so the auto-turn can complete on the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.